Afternoon everyone, and welcome to my second YouTube video. Today we're gonna do like a POV drive. Look at this thing I have on my neck. I don't know about this setup yet. I wanna do some more research on other setups I can do and stuff like that. If you guys have good setups, please comment down below. I'd appreciate that. But I have this thing. Hopefully the videos are good. I'm gonna get videos of PCH. And yeah, that's basically what the video is going to be today. Maybe we might meet up with some like other friends with BMWs and stuff. I'll show you guys their cars and stuff like that. But I appreciate the the support on the first video. That was good. More Jalil. You guys need more Jalil? I got you. But when it comes to the cars and coffee, we're probably gonna have that like once in a while. But I'm gonna try to do like a lot of BMW reviews, stuff like that for you guys. So thank you for the support so far. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna do a cold start on the BMW right now for you guys. Okay. Look at that. Look at the gauges. Hopefully this is the setup I wanted, like it looking like this, maybe a little bit higher like this. But here, so you have to press this button right here, this red stop button right there. And obviously you have to have your keys in your pocket or right here somewhere. And then you press it once, wait for all like the coolant systems to work and stuff like that, and then turn it on. I have a service due soon. The car outside, waiting for it to warm up. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Usually after 24 hours. Oh my God, look at that. Yeah, no, this thing is a bug magnet. Let's see if I can. Spec is amazing. Just look at that spec. Wow. I've never seen a F8 spec like that. It had the blue stripe. So yeah, so basically I'm just gonna wait for it to warm up, and then we're gonna go on a POV drive. Hopefully this thing isn't too shaky and stuff. Like, look at me. Look how stupid I look right now. But yeah, we're gonna do a POV drive, and then later on I hit up the homie Esson. I want to see if he has like a car meet. He usually hosts car meets and stuff with some homies. I want to see if I can go to that later on. But yeah, that's basically what the video for today is gonna be. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys. So we made it on PCH. I apologize if it's very shaky right now. I'm definitely gonna work on the setup, but this is what you guys get for now. Wow, it's very shaky. I apologize, guys. I really apologize. Trust me, I'll work on this setup. I'll work on it. Hopefully the pops pick up, because they sound insane. Yeah, so I have my paddles right here. I could use this down right here. I could use this, but I got a lot of inspiration from this really known YouTuber Beamer Fam. His POVs are like so good. I don't know what he does. I heard they use like a mouthpiece with the GoPro, but like, how would you talk to your audience? That's the question. Here, let me see if I can do a pull for you guys right here. Downshift. One more downshift. Oh, yellow light. There goes my brakes. Nah, it's chilling. I got warranty. Damn, those pops are insane, guys. Hopefully it picks up on the video. But yeah, so basically, I'm gonna do more POV drives like BMW. It's gonna be centered around BMW content and like reviews, basic stuff like that. Yeah, and then obviously the South OC Cars and Coffee. Do you hear those clicks, guys? It's so satisfying. And then eventually I want to do some cosmetics inside here. I like how this is all OEM with the carbon fiber. It's really nice. Maybe the shifter, I'm going to do carbon fiber on that one. MDM means when you have 50% traction. It basically gives you, it's still like there's still traction involved when you, when you floor it and stuff. But if you don't pay attention, you can still like lose it in MDM. So yeah, there's a couple of times that I had to counter steer this car when I'm flooring it. Maybe it's my tires. I might need to get new tires. Yeah, so this is not tuned at all. And as soon as I let go of the gas, it's around 3 or 4, it just starts. Like, look at this, look. Oh, that time it didn't do it. But yeah, this thing's not tuned and it gets pops, like so many pops. Comment down below your favorite BMW. So far, I would say my favorite BMW, if I could afford it, it would be the M8. I love the M8. The coupe version's very nice. But other than that, I would say this car. Maybe future M's that have come out. But so far, this car's really nice. Like people have been telling me to get an F80. Yo, why don't you just get the F80, bro? Like that one's so much nicer. It has like the wide body look and stuff like that. Yeah, that's nice. I actually really like how the F80s look. But the thing is that four door sedan feel. Like I had an Audi S3. It had a stage 1 tune. I believe an APR stage 1. That thing was pretty quick. But I just didn't like having people in the back of my cars. Like they would just like leave their trash and stuff like that. And it would get pretty dirty back there. Yeah. I'm not hating on the F80 boys. You guys are, trust me, those are really nice cars, and you can easily drift those, I would say, compared to the coupe versions. Oh, this guy stopped early for some reason. Let me see if I can get into left lane. Yeah. I don't know what's going on, but this bus is causing a lot of problems, brothers. Yeah, I would say other than like the canyon roads, I forgot what the name of the road is, but I would say PCH is my favorite out of all of them. It would be the best, I would say, if cops weren't here too much. But other than that, there's a lot of people around, a lot of good people. That guy's speeding for some reason when there's a red light. This is the S55 motor. Inline twin turbo, obviously. This one stock is pushing. This one's the competition, so I got a little tune on it from factory. So I believe this pushed around 450 to the wheel, 490 crank. Whereas the G82s, they got up to like 500, like 540, and it makes a big difference. And especially that ZF transmission, you can beat on that transmission. That's the one thing about that transmission I would say it's really good, is that you can just beat on it, you know? Compared to this transmission, you would have to like wait for it to like shift like this. You have to shift, wait for it, and then shift, and then, right? Because if you are doing that too much, if you're doing a lot of like downshifts too quick, right? There's this, I forgot what it was called, but there's a part of the engine on the S55 that if you do that way too much, it's gonna like turn, right? I forgot, dude, I can't believe I can't remember it right now. But if that turns, your whole engine explodes, which is crazy to me. Like, so that's why a lot of people go to SSR Performance, like places like that. Wow, look at the view, guys. Very nice view. This is definitely my favorite part of the drive, is this view. Let's see if I can do a pull for you guys. Yeah, this thing, I wasn't even on it. This thing picks up for sure. Yeah, so this is, we're getting close to Newport Coast. Very nice area. I'm already used to the speed of this car, because like, oh wow, nice GT3 RS right there. So yeah, so that's gonna be the end of the POV drive. I appreciate you this support on the first video. Obviously, this is a new channel. I'm still working on my on how to talk and stuff like that. I'm stuttering my words a lot, but I'm gonna work on that. But eventually, I'm gonna keep it consistent. I'm gonna try to post for you guys every week and stuff like that. So.
Wait, why are you wearing this? Like, what are you trying to do? I'm trying to fit in today.
M5 CS right here. This thing's insane. Too slow? He needs to tune it. That's what he needs to do. Fire Spectre. HREs. That's so nice. So this is the end of the video, guys. Say hi to Amir.
What's up, guys?
Yes, sir. We just met up with the homie in the CS right here. Beautiful spec.
Yeah,
I'll see you, man. Take care.